Okay, I'm lit, but if you know, you know. Who remembers Coconut Head? Nancy classified. Because it's giving. It's definitely giving Coconut Head.
It could be worse, you know.
Edna Mode. Coconut Head and Edna Mode. What's up? I'm starting my vlog right now. I'm a little late. We already have our costumes on. Do you know what we are? Keep the Gen X away, or whatever the young kids is. What are we giving? Hold on, we need to give him light. Obviously, if you know, you know. If you know what we are, comment below. How about that? Yes. All right, y'all. We got a little lit. You know, we got our Costa Costa. I made this delicious drink. We dubbed it Spooky Juice. It's passion fruit concentrate, the little can shit, pineapple orange juice, Casamigos, and ice. Best shit ever. You need to make this shit even if it's not Halloween. This is a tropical drink right here, y'all. We're going out tonight. We got two different parties we're going to. We behind schedule for the first one, but it's okay because we lit. We got our costumes. We doing what the girls need to do. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Oh yes, terrible. Especially on this day and the actual day of Halloween too. But okay, guys, so we're out at the club right now. So we're at the first party. It seems pretty fun. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. This is, oh, I thought the flash was on. This is Loud 45. It's really cute. There's a whole dance floor over here. We're gonna go over there in a second. But it's super cute. We already got mad compliments on our outfits. The girls are loving the cosplay chill. Okay.
Jeans on fleek the fuck.
We're here. Hey, the lighting's not good here. Truly. We're at the first party. It's okay. It's not bad. We had one drink. Probably not gonna have no more here. They gave us church fans, and we lit about it. But look at the girls, child. Sorry. Look at the girls. Oh, that's a boy. What are you doing? You're in the girls' bathroom. Bugging. This is not. It's just a oh. It's just a I'm telling you, this is the girls' bathroom. What are you doing?
Why y'all show the
record this. Okay, guys, so I'm making us another drink. Starting on with the passion fruit in the can, a little passion fruit concentrate. If you know, you know. You gotta be a 90s baby. The 2000s babies don't understand 80s. 90s and lower, understand. We gonna get some pineapple orange juice by Dole. This shit is fire. You ever wanna make some mimosas? Some fire shit right here. Okay? Or just for breakfast with no alcohol, if that's the type of bitch you are. Me personally would like a mimosa. You know what I mean? Till I make you choke, though, baby. Y'all see the brown on the girl? The brown is not. I don't fuck with the brown. Truthfully, I don't know how the girls do it. It's not my thing. It's giving ashy for me, but for Some girls it works. It's just not for my undertone. You know what I'm saying? I ain't about to put some ice in this hole. Finna put some ice in this hole or whatever. I make 2 drinks. These drinks are actually virgin, so if the girls don't drink, still make the recipe if you want something tropical. We got liquor that we gonna take with it. We ain't got enough to make a drink with as well. Y'all been here for a minute, so y'all should understand. You know what I'm saying? If you drink, oh shit, you be on that Casa like us. You might be on some little. I mean, it took us a minute to get the Casa every weekend. You know, we used to be on the low grade, but. We there, bitch. It's fine. All right, I done filled the glasses. Finna take them to the blender. Oh, no, let's blend them. Come on, why not? You ain't want us to blend them? No, that's fine. Might as well give us a little... Act like we drinking a tropical drink, you know? So I've changed into my Doc Martens and we're about to catch an Uber right now to go to the next party. Quite lit. Doing well though. The folks love our outfits. I'm a fan as well. Brown wig is not my favorite. Ooh, raining, y'all. I think this ain't Uber over here. I'm gonna wait for my friend though. Make sure. It's a great night.
I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new toy. About to fuck this cash up on a new toy. You can't understand us.
At the party, chill. Look, y'all. Oh, somebody get paid $20 for some, child. I look a little oily, child.
This is, I can't believe I'm wearing this.
Why? It's
Crazy, because it's like an orange.
It's giving cosplay dance. You know, me boom boom.
Beat it like volleyball, she not play. Love the way your skin clean and all the things squeezing on the laundry. When you go down on the base, more put you on the 8 time. When you go down on the base, more put you on the 8
clean, babe. Do the thing right, babe. Move your thing nicely. Do it for me. Girl, your skin clean, babe. Do the thing nicely.
Happy Halloween to all you ugly assholes, and happy Halloween to all you niggas too. Half of y'all hoes don't even need no fucking mask, cause y'all bitches ugly anyways with them ugly ass wigs, bitch. But anyways, happy motherfucking Halloween.